Hey there, fellow travelers and car enthusiasts. I'm Tiger Car System, your car accessories specialist, and today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to this 600 car rooftop carrier cargo luggage waterproof outdoor travel bag from tigercarsystems.com. Say goodbye to limited cargo space and hello to worry-free travel. Our 600 car rooftop carrier is crafted from thickened Oxford cloth, making it ultra-durable, tear-resistant, and waterproof. It ensures your belongings stay safe and dry during all your adventures. Whether you're going on a family vacation, a camping trip, or a weekend getaway, this rooftop carrier can handle it all, from suitcases to camping gear. It's the perfect companion for your travels. We've designed this carrier with adjustable straps for maximum stability, keeping your belongings secure during the journey. Plus, its unique cube-shaped design allows for easy storage and hassle-free transportation, built with weatherproof double-wall vinyl construction and welded seams. Your cargo stays protected from road grit, sun, wind, and rain. No more worrying about unpredictable weather. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. This carrier is designed to fit various vehicles, including passenger cars, vans, and SUVs with roof rack systems. It's a perfect fit for your ride with the 600D rooftop carrier cargo luggage waterproof outdoor travel bag from tigercarsystems.com. Enjoy stress-free and comfortable travel. Click the Add to Cart button now and experience worry-free adventures. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic car accessories and travel solutions.